Hello everyone and welcome to this video series. My name is Cornelia and in today's video we are going to step into the lookup function. We will see the use case and then we will jump into the demo within Marketing Cloud. Then we will end up with the conclusion. Alright, so what does the lookup function do? The lookup function returns a single value from a data extension based on the parameter we pass in. So the structure of this function. First of all, we have to call the name of the data extension that contains the data that we want to retrieve. Second, we have to use the name of the column of the field we want. Third, the name of the column to look at itself to find the matching value. Fourth, the value that identifies the row to retrieve for the matching column. Note as well that we could add additional columns and look at other key pair values. All right. Now, the use case. Let's say that a retail company would like to send a transactional email to their customers when they received a return order request. This email should include the nearest store address where customers will return their parcel. Okay, so let's jump to the demo to see how that works. So I'm already logging into Marketing Cloud and also I already create the data extension that I will use for this use case. So there are customer return order data extension and the return order data extension. Okay, so the customer return order contains all the information about the customer who requests to return their order. Okay, and because of that we can see here that return order is true and we have their address, their first name and their customer ID. And then in Marketing Cloud we create a table which contains the nearest store of each customer who submit a request to return their order. And here we can notice that we have the customer ID of this customer because they ask to return their order. And here we just put the nearest store about this customer. Now, to be able to send them an email with the correct nearest store address where they can return their parcel, we have to use the lookup function. And I will show you now what I did. So as you can see, here is the email I already created. And I will just go back so you can see the code. Yeah. Okay, so here is the code. And as you can see, I open the bracket because we're using ein script here. And I use the lookup function, as you can see. First of all, the data station, where we will retry the data that we want, and this is the column of the data station, and this is our pair value. Okay, so the lookup function will calculate all of that, and then the result will be stored in this variable. Okay, and then because the result is stored into this variable, I will be able to display that by using the v function, right? So yeah, so now when we click on next and we select the correct data extension, so this one, we can see that for the customer Cornelia, the nearest store is Stratford, and for Fiona, the nearest store is Oxford, and for Claire, the nearest store is Liverpool. Okay, so that's it. That is how we can use a lookup function to display a single value. Okay, so I hope you enjoy this video. If yes, let me know with a like or subscribe to my channel. Bye for now.